How to replace mobility scooter wheels. Tools needed: gloves, hex socket, ratchet wrench, flathead screwdriver, support block. Select socket size based on axle diameter. Common sizes: 19 mm, 17 mm. Part 1. Wheel removal. Remove the center cap. Raise the wheel with a support block. Place under the frame. Use the wrench to remove the wheel. Take out the keyword insert. Part 2. Wheel installation. Install the keyword insert into the axle. Align and slide the wheel onto the axle. Add washer and nut, then tighten. Put the cap back on. Installation complete.